Hello learners, welcome to bloggertutor.com, and today we will review the SiteGround full A to Z review with live speed test from 25 different locations. We will do a live test of SiteGround hosting speed, and we will know about all the features by SiteGround, all the tools by SiteGround. We will explore the dashboard. We will understand the tools provided by them. Okay, so in this particular video, we will know all about SiteGround. Okay, so you don't have to see any other video related to SiteGround, because in this video you will see everything that you should know about SiteGround. Okay, so let's come to the dashboard of SiteGround and see what all the tools provided by them and what are the features provided by them on their SiteGround managed WordPress hosting. Okay, so actually they do not offer a cPanel. They have custom cPanel where you can explore the tools, and also there is a surprise for you guys. So don't skip any point video. Watch completely and you will find your surprise in the last of the video. Okay, so let's come to my computer screen and see what are the tools and benefits of the SiteGround hosting. So click on Site Tools, and here you will see a dashboard where you can find all the tools by SiteGround. Okay, so these are the tools. Let me explain all one by one. So this is app manager. Means you can install WordPress, you can install any other site builder, you can install any other CMS like PrestaShop, Drupal, Joomla. This is the thing for installing CMS. Okay, so let's click on this and see what are the tools available here. So it's install a new application. When you click on here, you can see this is WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Weebly, WooCommerce, and Magneto, PrestaShop, GenCart, OpenCart, and they are all are these things. Okay, so these are the others: CRM, VTiger, and Helpdesk, OSTCat. There are many applications available in this application section. Okay, let's come to the dashboard again. So this is email account, and I love this service of any hosting. Okay, because you can create professional mails free, and here you have all the features of professional emails. Means email filters, email. Let me show you something. Yeah, here you can say this is account, email forwarders, autoresponders, filters, authentication, spam protection. Okay, so these things, I love these things on any other hosting, not especially on SiteGround. But wait, in SiteGround you will get these tools for free, of course for free, with their startup plans. And wait, there are something more impressive. Okay, the thing is, they migrated their server to Google Cloud. Wow, this sounds great. Okay, means now if you purchase their startup plan, which cost approx $50, you will get Google Cloud servers. Means what other you can expect from any hosting provider, that at this price they are giving you a Google Cloud server. Okay, now move to next tool. This is the file manager, and this is provided by I think every hosting provider, because you need to manage your files, your hosting files, your website files. So this is the thing you can manage from here. Then Cloudflare CDN, they have an extra module, or you can say an additional modules for integrating CDN, Cloudflare CDN, to your hosting. Then they have FTP account manager. You can create FTP account. MySQL manager. You can manage your SQL database. Then this thing again. This is backup. Okay. This is again a great feature by SiteGround, and this is available in their startup plan too. Means, so if you have startup plan, you will get this backup feature. Okay, means they will backup daily your site and store it for 30 days. Okay, so maximum 30 days you can store a backup. Means you can create they will create automatically a backup and store it for 30 days. When your site crash, you can means you can recover it using restore of backup. Okay, then SSL manager, you can manage your SSLs. Then HTTP enforces, means you can enforce your URLs to accept only HTTPS request. Then protected URLs. Then block type is, this feature is for some spamming. Means some spammers just use their tools to spam on your site. So this can be helpful for those problems. Okay, then this is the site scanner. Let's see the feature of site scanner. Yeah, this is the daily scan, schedule reports, and immediate alert. You can scan the malwares, backdoors of your site. Okay, again move to dashboard. Okay, then this is the super cacher, and another feature that they provide is they have their custom plugin for their hosting, which is called SG Optimizer for WordPress, and that plugin is awesome and it works very well with SiteGround. Okay, then install WordPress, means this is same like this app manager. You can install WordPress and manage WordPress. This is staging copies, means you can copy your site. Copy means you can duplicate your site with a temporary domain and you can edit it. And if you think this is the best version of your site, you can make it your main site. Means, so if you work for your client and they give you our live site, so you don't have to work on live site. Okay, you have to stake that site, means you have to duplicate that site, work on that duplicate site. When you complete your work, just migrate that duplicate as the original site. Okay, then the next thing is WordPress Migrator. This tool will help you to migrate your website from other hosting to WordPress. Okay. Then next is WordPress automatic updates, and this feature is also awesome. You can switch it on to update automatically your WordPress plugins and themes. Okay. Then this is the park domain, and this feature is also very awesome feature. Means this is also a very good feature. You have access to all the things of domains, your DNS settings, your redirects, your subdomains, your park domains, everything. Okay, means if you put their name server on your domain setting, DNS setting, you will have to manage your domain from here. You have DNS zones, redirects, subdomains, park domains, etc. Okay, you can manage everything from their dashboard. Okay, now let's see another feature. This is the domain redirect, subdomain, DNS zone setting. Then email forwarder. Using this service, you can forward your mail received in your professional email to any other email account. This is email autoresponder. You can respond automatically on any emails received on a particular email account. Then email filter. You can filter emails. Then email authentications, spam protection, and traffic monitoring. This tool will help you to monitor traffic from different region of world. This is error logs. You can see the error log of your hosting of your WordPress, everything. Okay, this is the access log. You can see the access log of your WordPress and hosting. Okay, now this feature is not very helpful for normal developers. The git clone feature, this feature is mainly for those who use git clones. Now this is the cron job feature. Actually, this feature is helpful for WordPress users too, because many WordPress plugin use cron jobs. So this feature will help you to put simple rules, put simple commands to cron jobs. Then PHP switch feature. This PHP manager will allow you to switch between PHP versions to the latest version or to downgrade your version of PHP. Then this SSH key manager. This is something like very similar to FTP. You can manage your file manager account, and this is the, so all I want to say you that you will get a plenty of tool inside ground hosting. Okay, I don't want to mention any particular company, but there are many companies, many reputed companies that do not provide all these tools in managed WordPress hosting. Okay, because these tools are only available in cPanel. Okay, so now let's move to our next procedure. The next procedure is to test the speed of SiteGround. So we are going to test it with 25 plus locations of Word and with 4 tools. The first tool is .com tool. Okay, and the second is Page Insight by Google. The third is GTmetrix, very popular, and Pingdom, which is also very popular. Okay, so let's first come to my dashboard of WordPress. You can verify the domain. This domain here and this domain here. Okay, so both domain are same, means my this domain is hosted on SiteGround. And I want to show you something more. This is not a very premium plan of SiteGround. This is the just startup plan of SiteGround, but you will see the performance in a startup plan also. Okay, so let's move to our WordPress dashboard, and here you can say you can see there is no plugin activated. There is a SG optimizer plugin, but I have not activated that plugin. And here is appearance themes. Let me show you the default theme is activated, that is 2020. This WordPress default theme is activated. Now let's move to our tools. This first tool is called .com tool, and actually this is not too accurate tool because they have some network issue and other many other issues. But this is actually going to test the SiteGround with 25 location worldwide. Okay, so I need to copy that temporary domain and paste it in the tool and check it with Google Chrome worldwide. Okay, so now I am going to click on start speed test. Okay, and I think I have to do this one also. So let's check the speed on SiteGround also, and GTmetrix here. Put it on GTmetrix. Put it on Pingdom. Okay, put it on here. So let's see on .com. The New York speed is 3.2 seconds, which I don't recommend that this speed is really impressive. But don't worry, this is not the real speed. Actually, this speed vary time to time. So let me see some average. This is the average speed, that is 3 seconds. So yeah, 3 second, maximum 3 second is a good speed. But if you go about to that, means if you side load in 3.1 second, that's not a good speed. And now this is showing 3.5 second, which is not a good speed. But wait, this is not actual speed. Okay, you don't have to worry about that this is the actual speed and side ground is too slow. No, actually this speed vary from browser to browser, vary from location location. And one thing that I want to mention is we do not using any CDN on site. Okay, so content delivery network, that is CDN, actually speed up your site. Okay, so we are not using any CDN, we are not using any optimization plugin. So on average, I think approximately my all the tests have been completed. There is some server. Okay, benzing is running. I'm waiting for that. Benzing is running. Let's wait for that. Let's see which one is the fastest. As I can see, 2.0 is the fastest speed. But I don't think that 2.0 is a fastest speed with a default 2020 theme and without any plugin. Okay, so just wait on page inside, and wow, this is impressive. Okay, this really is impressive. You can see 99 page score, which is a good page speed. Okay, means this is a mobile speed. Now move to your desktop speed. This is also 99. So you can see that on Page Insight or on Google Page Speed Test Tool, the speed is 99. Okay, so this is very impressive. Now let's move to GTmetrix. Here this is also very impressive, but the fully load time is slightly higher than that I recommend, which is 3 seconds. If you use content delivery network, this speed can be increased. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now let's move to about this, and here 96 A grade and 1.69 load 1.96 load time. I think this is accurate and this is a good time. Okay, this is a good load time. Now let me check from Germany. Okay, say let's check it from Germany, and this is from Canada. This particular test was from Canada 4.1. Now let's move again to .com and check with Firefox browser. Okay, so starting the test. Actually, I have checked this, so this is really impressive. And I have checked this. This is also impressive. And now Germany, on in Germany it's 2.16 second or 2.2 second approximately. You can approximate. So this is also a good speed. You don't have to worry about the speed. The speed vary with a different location, but to overcome this, actually to overcome this problem, you can use content delivery network. Actually, content delivery network work as a distributor for your site. Means they have different servers on different locations. When you map your site with a CDN, they distribute all your site files to different location of the server. And when user type of domain in his browser, the browser requests from CDN to give those files, and the nearest location possible will chosen as the main server. Okay, so that's how the CDN works, and that will increase your website speed definitely. Okay, and now saw this. When we come to the browser of Firefox, you can say the average speed is 2.1, which is now impressive. Means we saw that there is a increase in page speed with a browser called Google Chrome. Yeah, I know Google Chrome have very large framework, but of course they reduce the page speed time. And in this particular page speed test, Tokyo had the minimum page load time, which is less than 1 second. Okay, 999.0 millisecond, which is less than actually 1 second. Okay, so this is how SiteGround hosting is performing. Now let's move to Japan. Okay, let's move to Tokyo and see the speed test on Pingdom with a Japan server. Okay, or with a Tokyo server. And here you can say the average test time is 2.2 seconds. So you can see the average speed is not the best speed, but here are some locations that really are impressive. Now let's move to next step of speed test. Let's speed test with Android device, okay, with Google Pixel 2, and start the test. Okay, so now starting the test, and of course Android will have a slow speed because rendering of website on Android device is a little slow. That's why website speed, load speed also is slightly higher than the on desktop. So wait for it. Let's see on Pingdom, and here you can see that Pingdom score is a good score. Here you can say this is with a Japan server, and you can see the overall speed is 1.69 seconds, which is a good speed. Okay, so from these speed test, I think you are able to understand how SiteGround web hosting works. But wait, don't think that this is the final speed of your site. Okay, this speed depend on your content delivery network CDN, your website quality, means your theme quality, your plugin quality. And there is a myth about plugins. Many developers think that if you have a lot of plugin, your site is going to slow. No, it's not. It's not the quantity of plugin that matter with the speed. It's the quality of plugin. Okay, if you have the high quality plugins, you can install in million. Okay, means you can install a million of plugin with a high quality, and that will not affect your website speed. But you can install a single plugin with a bad script or a bad coding, that will definitely decrease your website speed. So don't think that the amount of plugin is affecting your website speed. It's the quality of plugin that affect your site speed. So only go with the premium plugins, and only go with the highest rated plugin. Okay, don't go with the buggy plugins that have a lot of bugs and a lot of, you can say, a lot of extra modules, extra features that you don't require. Okay, and there is also a myth about Jetpack for site speed, that many people think that Jetpack slow down your site. No, if you think Jetpack is slow downing your site, you can delete it. There is no need for it. But Jetpack actually make your site more powerful. Okay, you have to use it properly. And for particular Jetpack, I will made a video, and you will find that video in our playlist section of WordPress. Okay, how to use Jetpack in a better way. Okay, now this is the test, and 6.6 second on the Android device, which is, I think, not the fast. But wait, this is not the final speed, so don't worry about it. Let's check it with Internet Explorer 11. Okay, so this speed test 4 is going with Internet Explorer 11. Okay, so let's check it out with 25 different locations. We are going to see the SiteGround speed test. Okay, and till now the average speed is 1.8 second. You can see, but it's not going to be. Oh, that's impressive. It's 1.7 seconds. I think that's the best browser to browse five websites. Okay, because you can see on Chrome the site speed is 3 seconds, on Mozilla Firefox is 2 seconds, but on Internet Explorer it's 1.5 second, which is really awesome. And you can also see a very good thing. 787 means your site is loading within 1 second, without taking 1 second to load your website. Your website is loading in Hong Kong. Okay, so less than 1 second is it's taking to load your site. That Google will love. Means if you have a speedy website, you have it means your site is going to rank faster. Your site is going to have more visitors, more conversions, more good user experience, and many more things. Okay, so now approximately our tests have been done, and the average speed is 2.3 second. The most bad speed is from Mumbai and from Beijing, China. Okay, so China have 13.9 second as the page speed, which is, I don't recommend that this speed is good, but that's okay. This is not the real speed. This is just a speed test. Okay, Tokyo have 861 millisecond, that is within 1 second. In Tokyo, the site is loading within 1 second. Okay, okay. So that's the final speed test. Now you can try your own SiteGround test. And also, if you are going to buy SiteGround, link is in the description. Check the description and buy from our affiliate link so that it can support us a little, okay? Because we will receive a small amount which will not impact your cost price, but it will support us as we will receive a small commission from SiteGround, okay? So link is in the description. Go and purchase from our link, okay? And believe me, you will not get upset with that plan, because SiteGround have Google Cloud, which is the best hosting server of the world at the time, okay? So your surprise is you can purchase your SiteGround hosting with PayPal. Actually, SiteGround do not support PayPal, but you can purchase it indirectly via PayPal by visiting our site bloggertutor.com. Let me show you how you can purchase it using your PayPal. So on bloggertutor.com, visit there our homepage, and on menu section you will see offers and deals, and here order SiteGround hosting has Rupee card, okay? You have to click on order SiteGround hosting, and here you can order indirectly with PayPal, okay? Here you can put your name, last name, email, password, address, and number. This can be chosen as a country. Then SiteGround hosting plan, then which plan you are choosing, then enter a domain which is optional, and then pay with PayPal, okay? So you can purchase the hosting using PayPal directly by our site, okay? So and it will be delivered within 1 hour. Our team will respond within 1 hour and give you your hosting plan, okay? The next thing, if you have any query about SiteGround speed test or SiteGround hosting plan or any WordPress queries, you can just comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, just like and press the bell icon, okay? Let's meet in the on the next video with more tips and tricks, more tools exploration, because we believe in learn more, earn more, okay?